Hi everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download songs for video editing on your iPad. If you're working on a video project and need some music, I'll walk you through the steps to make sure you get the right tracks and have them ready for your editing process. Let's get started. First and foremost, it's crucial to make sure you're using music that you have the rights to. This is important to avoid any legal issues, especially if you're planning to share your videos publicly. Luckily, there are plenty of places where you can find music that's safe to use. One great option is the YouTube Audio Library. It's a fantastic resource with a wide variety of royalty-free music that you can download and use in your projects. If you're looking for even more options, there are paid services like Epidemic Sound and MusicBed. These platforms offer high-quality tracks and are popular among content creators. Once you've found the music you want to use, you can download it directly from the app or website you're using. If you're downloading through Safari, keep an eye out for the download icon in the web browser, usually a little downward arrow. After the download completes, save the file to your Files app so you can easily access it later. Now, to use the downloaded song in your video project, open the Files app or your video editing app. From there, you can import the song into your project and start editing. Just make sure that the song is in a format compatible with your video editing software, which is usually something like MP3 or WAV. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be able to download and use music for your video editing projects on your iPad, ensuring that your videos not only look great, but sound great too. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using your iPad for creative projects. See you guys later.